Hi, my name is Elizabeth. I'm the dietitian at Foundations Medical Center. Today we just want to talk a little bit about breakfast. It is one of the hardest meals for us to get in a healthy way, and most of us are in a hurry when we try to prepare breakfast. So I have a couple of easy and quick ideas for you. First would just be to do overnight steel cut oats. You can do those so quickly in the evening before you go to bed and leave them on the stovetop. And then they'll be ready for you in the morning, and all you have to do is add a little bit of berries and walnuts and maybe a little cinnamon and you're good to go. Another one would just be to do a couple of eggs. You can do them however you like, fried in a little coconut oil, poached, scrambled, and serve over a bed of greens. That's one of my favorite breakfasts. You can also do a couple of pieces of avocado toast with just some whole grain or a gluten-free toast with some avocado smashed, and just a side of fruit would be an excellent breakfast. And then lastly, one of our favorites here at Foundations is to do a smoothie or a shake. You can start with a protein base, a protein powder, and add some greens and fruit and some flaxseed and an almond milk, or even just water, and blend that up. Or you can just do the shake mix if it's a meal replacement shake with a nut milk or water, and shake it up and be out the door. So all of those are easy to prepare in less than 5 minutes. Most of them are easy to take with you, and then you have your most important first meal of the day, and you are done for the day.